Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Basecamp notifications not working step by step. If you're not receiving project updates, task reminders, or message alerts from Basecamp, there are several simple solutions you can try. So let's get started. First, sign in to your Basecamp account and open your account or notification settings. Check that email notifications, push notifications, or desktop notifications are enabled for the types of updates you want to receive. Save any changes before leaving the settings page. Next, if you're using the Basecamp mobile app, open your phone settings, find Basecamp, and make sure notifications are allowed. Also verify that Do Not Disturb, Focus Mode, or battery optimization features aren't blocking alerts from the app. If you're using Basecamp in a web browser, make sure your browser has permission to send notifications. You can check this in your browser's site settings and allow notifications for the Basecamp website if they're currently blocked. Another helpful step is to refresh the app or browser, sign out of your Basecamp account, and then sign back in. If you're using the mobile app, check for updates in your device's app store and install the latest version to fix known bugs and improve performance. Finally, verify that your internet connection is stable and ask a teammate to send you a message or assign you a task to test whether notifications are working again. And that's it. You now know several effective ways to fix Basecamp notifications that aren't working properly. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.